This video clip is gradually slowing down from 800% speed and it will eventually hit real time. I will notice you when that happens. Would you be willing to watch the actual footage in real speed as I see it when I progress? What if the progress is painfully slow? Would you consider it to be suffering or enjoyable? I called my channel Joy of Doing because that is the main reason I do something. Just for the joy of it. And I also like to watch channels that do things because I enjoy watching people create. Often those clips are speed up. All those hours of dedication is shrink in few minutes of exhibition and you see in short time the project from start to finish. What is the joy of doing things all about? Especially what of that enjoyment can be transferred on the spectator? I cannot transfer the inner feelings and struggle that I feel when I do, but I can transfer what I see. Usually every crafting channel will show you the process, and to skip the boredom, most of them turn the speed up, cut out all necessary movements, show you the interesting parts and skipping all non-enjoyable takes. You are spared from the real time because the real time is boring, right? Many times the actual process of creating something is slow, difficult. If you try to do it as best as you can, it will eat a lot of time of your life. The digestion on social media is to give you speed up process so you can jump right to the end, to the final product, get instant feeling of satisfaction or how the psychologists call it. But to create is to suffer the whole process without any fast forward button. I feel something hypnotic about it and I do watch videos that are not speed up and I'm willing sometimes to watch the footage without skipping. This is not either whining or bragging. Sometimes I'm afraid when the process is close to finish because I don't want to let it go. So I do it even slower for some reason and I procrastinate a lot. You might also be like that, you might not. You might not be even interested in crafting anything and you could enjoy it, or you might be crafter and find it extremely boring to watch. As a creator, without the hours that I put in the effort, I will not have anything. Anything authentic, anything skilled. Also, the skill building process is measured in hours dedicated to stay in the process and put effort in it. I don't mean that the quality should be measured by hours spent. You can have skill to draw or sculpt perfect product in second. There are hours and hours hidden in the skill building process and that's my point. Or you are top talented prodigy and that will clear all I've said. Congratulations, however, that's not my case. Now I will show you the raw footage in real time. Don't worry, it will not be all hours that are in there by now since I'm not filming everything and I know that it wouldn't be even fun to watch it raw. But for the sake of the experiment, welcome to my world. Now the footage is 1:1 speed, real time, as I was doing it. Without cutting and speeding up, you can see that I take my time. Sometimes I need to think about what I'm going to do next. Sometimes I need to figure out what would be the best approach. I just want to be careful that I will not ruin it. Few minutes passed and not much is happening, and this is basically how it grows. Step by step, piece by piece. Sometimes I do something for an hour and nothing much happen. Then the state of motivation will hit you, or long time of stagnation. You do something here, then you do something there. You go back and forth until the end. But there is that misty idea of the goal, and the goal gets closer and closer with every new trace of the tool on the surface. And then, like magic, you see that you're going somewhere.